Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making yellow curry chicken with bone broth. This is a one-pot meal and I just used my Dutch oven to make this. I'm also adding bone broth into this yellow curry chicken to give it even more protein. So let me show you guys how to make it. So my husband and I had our first date at a Thai restaurant. He got yellow curry chicken and I got chicken satay. So I love making this yellow curry chicken at home. So the one secret ingredient in this yellow curry chicken is the kettle on fire, coconut curry, and lime bone broth. Not only is it going to give you added protein into this dish, it's also going to make it really easy because you're going to get tons and tons of flavor from this bone broth. So that's why we only need a couple simple spices along with the traditional ingredients of chicken, potatoes, broccoli, and carrots. So first I'm going to chop the russet potatoes into 1 to 2 inch cubes. And now you guys can peel them if you want, but we like to leave the skin on. Once we have the potatoes chopped, then you're just going to dice some yellow onions. So we're going to put our 5.5 quart Dutch oven over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 3 minced garlic cloves. If you guys want to use garlic from a jar, you can do that. I love doing it for ease. And then last, we're going to add our onions. Then you're going to saute for about 5 minutes until the onions are lightly brown and fragrant. Next, we're going to add in our chicken thighs. And you guys can cut these into chunks before adding into the Dutch oven, but I like to leave the chicken thighs whole as I think it keeps them a little bit more tender and it's easy to portion out meals this way. Then you're going to lightly brown the chicken on both sides. This will take just a few minutes. Next, we're going to add in our bone broth, our coconut milk, and our coconut cream. Then we're going to add in our spices, which is just curry powder, turmeric, and cumin. We're getting the majority of our flavor from this coconut curry bone broth. And then last, we're going to grate about 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. And if you guys don't have fresh ginger, you can also use ground ginger in its place, but you're going to need way less. Start with about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. And then last, we're going to add our potatoes. Then we're going to put our lid on and turn the heat down to a simmer. You want to let this simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. We want to cook the potatoes almost all the way through, so you want to make sure that around this time they are soft but not completely done. So while the Dutch oven is simmering with the chicken and the potatoes, it's time to cut up our veggies. So you're going to need about 8 ounces of broccoli and 4 large carrots. So feel free to add other veggies if you guys prefer, but these are the traditional veggies that are in yellow curry chicken. But if you want to use stuff in your farm box or stuff that's in your fridge, totally go for it. Other veggies that would be delicious are also bell peppers, zucchini, mushrooms. So we're just going to slice our carrots into 1/4 inch thick slices. And oh my gosh, I have a special carrot today. Look at a little Siamese twin carrot. He's so cute. So now we're going to check on our potatoes and we just want to poke them with a fork and you want it to be soft but not completely done. Next, you're going to add in the carrots and broccoli. Put the lid back on and continue to simmer for another 10 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes and veggies are done to your liking. Now, we like to serve this yellow curry chicken over jasmine rice, but you can do it over brown rice, quinoa, whatever you guys like. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy dinner recipes made with bone broth, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Don't forget to add salt and pepper to taste and a little bit of lime to finish it off.